This is a full lace wig, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys exactly the difference between a full lace wig and a frontal wig, so be sure to keep watching, okay? Or we could do this filter, either or. I'm up for either or. Follow me though on Snapchat. It's cold though. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with a hair care routine. I'm using Cream of Nature shampoo with this serum that I got from my beauty supply store because it was free. And I'm going to start off by washing the shampoo in my hair because my hair is dirty, as you can see, from all the gel, not dandruff, but gel that I have left over in my hair. So I deep condition with Shea Moisture Strengthening Treatment Conditioner, and I kind of just put this in my hair, left it for about 15 minutes, and then I washed it out and then braided my hair while it was wet, and this is the end result of it being braided. Put this serum in your hair, massage it into your scalp, and it feels awesome, guys. So, the difference between a lace front wig and a full lace wig. So, this video is with Evawigs, and it's a full lace wig. The beauty is you can part it anywhere you want from the front to the back, and there's absolutely no wefts. That's what I love about full lace wigs. They look so natural. So you can part it from the front to the back and braid it any which way you want. And the back has lace as well. This right here is a frontal wig. So only the front has lace and the back is wefts, as you can see. I can't part it from the front to the back because there are tracks, aka bundles, that are preventing me from doing so. Alright, so for the first hairstyle, wet the hair, comb it out, treat it like it's your real hair. I'm going to use a little bit of mousse because the hair was just like everywhere. And then I'm going to use some gel. And I'm just going to use this to pretty much slick the hair down before I begin braiding. And I pulled out some hairs in case I wanted to do baby hairs. So the hair on this wig is super full, guys. Like, I mean, majorly full. I'm going to go ahead and put 2 braids on each section. And then I'm going to use my favorite tweezer. And I'm going to go ahead and pluck out the baby hair section a little bit. Trim it. And then start putting it into sections. Like, kind of curving it and everything. And this part, you can totally skip. You don't have to do baby hairs. I just put a little bit in the front. I didn't go nuts, as you can see, but this is my end result. I'm going to show you guys how to cut the lace off of a full lace wig. Right there is where the ears are supposed to be. So I'm going to show you guys on this side, and then I'm going to demonstrate on the other side. So go ahead and just cut the lace off following the hairline that was already plucked. I didn't go ahead and pluck this, guys. But if you see right here, this is where your ears are technically supposed to go. It's already outlined for you. And this is where the seams will be. Just go ahead and follow the hairline, okay? Don't go nuts and do your own thing. Just follow the hairline or it won't fit properly. Oh, I was testing my lighting. Yes, I look nuts. So this is how the wig looks. And in the back, there's some adjusting right there. I didn't have to use a headband for this because for full lace wigs, you can kind of get away with wearing no headband. So, yeah. I used the glue also. You can use Gotta Be glue. I just didn't feel like waiting for Gotta Be glue to be dried. So I went ahead and used this so that I can speed up my process a little bit more. I put 2 layers of this on. Let it dry. And then I'm going to make sure the flappy parts by the ears stay down. So I added a little bit more glue. And I'm using the Ghost Bond glue, as you guys seen before. Then I'm going to use some edge control. And I find, honestly, this makes the hair lay a little bit more smoother and natural looking than the Gotta Be glued. So for hairstyle number 2, we're going to do 2 puffs. And this looks so freaking real. Like, I can't even deal. Like, I used water just to set it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use some gel to slick it down, and I'm gonna do one side at a time, as you guys can see. Ignore my carrots in the background, guys. I'm on this diet and I was snacky, so I didn't have a choice but to eat carrots and strawberries. If you follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, you would have seen me post it yesterday. Yo, tell me that it doesn't look real. Tell me my hair does not look real. Like, oh my God. I am so, like, sold and amazed by this. This hair also mimics real hair so well. Like, for the people that have really long, thick curly hair, I understand why you guys say like, oh my god, so much hair, I want to cut it. I understand your pain, because this was so much hair. Oh my god, guys, to put it into two ponytails, my arms were so tired. I was like, oh my god. But it came out cute though. So for the last hairstyle, we just went ahead and did 2 braids on top. I had to really hot comb it so that it can be a smaller braid. The first hairstyle, the braids were a little too big, so to make it a little bit more flatter, I don't know how to braid under, so I went ahead and just hot combed the roots. That's it. And then I put it into a bun. But the hair does revert back to its natural curly state, even if you do run the hot comb a little bit on the ends or anything. So nothing to worry about there. And then I went ahead and I used my Denman brush and this Lotta Body Shape Me Custard Gel that I always use on curly hair because it helps to tame the curly hair. Trust me when I say this, like, trust me. But I loved my wig from Evawigs, and the hair came out amazing. It was really pretty. It was huge hair, so keep that in mind, huge hair. But it was really amazing, guys. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.